I saw this video on LinkedIn about AI leadership, and I wanted to make some points regarding it. So let's get started.
You can't go onto your social media feed, whether it's LinkedIn or something you use more personally, or listen to a podcast, or really consume any media without running into a conversation
Yes, running into AI slot posts like this.
about how AI is going to change work. And it's a very interesting, important conversation. As you can imagine, those of us that work in people and culture and talent, we're talking about this a lot. We're a little obsessively talking about it right now. And this conversation is really important. But there are actually three shifts that I see coming with the future with AI. It's not just going to change the way we work, it's going to change the way that we learn and the way that we lead. And I'd like to talk a little bit about that third one. I'm sharing an article with you that I did recently with a concept called the super leader, which essentially gets at the idea that the leaders of the future are going to have to look a little bit different. To be fair, great leadership has never been easy, but the future with AI is calling for a different call of...
I want to know what script you're reading off, Miss Kelly Jones. The AI and leadership are incompatible. Leadership values and stuff like that is not going to be coming from AI. It comes from experience, education. You're down in the weeds. You're doing public speaking. You have instilled values in you that come up through your childhood, your parents, and whatnot. It's not going to be coming from fucking AI.
leader or different type of leader, something that I'm actually calling the super leader. And it has four components, as I've outlined in this article briefly. One is the technologist, where really just embracing this idea of a growth mindset and ensuring that they're leveraging AI to innovate and drive efficiencies.
AI is not going to let you innovate. Innovating is having a really good education and you come up with ideas yourself, not asking a chat prompt to give you ideas. Most of the time it's positive reinforcement.
On the team and help to determine what are the best uses of technology in terms of use cases for particular types of work. The second is the empath. This is a little bit about how a leader can foster psychological safety, really have inclusive dialogue and build this culture of empathy, which is going to be critical for us to be able to take our teams through the change we're getting ready to go to. The third, and probably the one I resonate the most with, is the philosopher. That's really just this role of being the person who envisions a meaningful future where decisions are grounded in ethical AI and we ensure that technology serves people in a very responsible way. And then the last is as a change agent.
Ethical AI? What